What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you again for being here, however you may have gotten here. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you find it helpful. It helps me out a ton. I just wanted to come with an informational video of something that I tried a couple weeks ago and I think it might help other people. So I just wanted to share with you the reasons that I did it, what is the cleanse, the difference between a cleanse and a detox, and also the benefits of those particular ingredients that were in the cleanse that I did, what it did for me personally. So to get started, I'm going to go ahead and tell you what the reasons were that I even decided to do a cleanse. If you guys have been following my channel at all, or know me personally, you know that I'm always striving to be healthy and find ways in my busy life to stay healthy. Just to give you a little bit of background, I've basically been off the mark for about a year and I'm just now getting back onto my health journey. I'm not going to call it a weight loss journey because I'm not necessarily trying to lose weight. I'm trying to be a healthy, better person in all aspects of my life, so that includes health. And I wasn't after losing weight. I basically just wanted to jumpstart my motivation, my metabolism, things like that. So I decided that I wanted to research a little bit about a natural cleanse, an easy, affordable cleanse that I could do. So I found this one. It's a pretty traditional cleanse. I have seen it a lot since I've been in middle school researching cleanses. I've seen this one all around. Now that you know the reasons that I initially wanted to start the cleanse, and sorry for your paper, I'm reading from my notes that I have down here. But anyway, now that you know why I started my cleanse, I'm going to go ahead and tell you a little bit of detail about what an actual cleanse is. And I know detox and cleanse are used interchangeably. They're not exactly the same, so I'm going to go ahead and give you the differences between that. So I'm going to start with a detox. Detox in particular refers to your liver and your kidneys, those organs. And detoxes are meant to remove those harmful toxins from those organs so they can be of most optimal use in your body, so they can do what they're supposed to do at their very best. Our bodies naturally detox, but the point of a detox, like any kind of supplement that you might be taking along your health journey, is not to replace functions in your body, or like a weight loss pill isn't going to help you lose weight just solely by itself. It's just supposed to amplify your results. So your detox, whatever you might be taking, you could do it through herbs, and you can also generally just strengthen your overall function of your kidney and liver through a healthier lifestyle. Yeah, it's just supposed to basically help your body function at its best. So that is a detox. A detox and a cleanse are different things. They're both really good for you. But now I'm going to go into what a cleanse is, and this is what I did. Yeah, I didn't do a detox, I did a cleanse. A cleanse is to clean the toxins and food particles that may not have gotten digested correctly from your digestive tract. It's a gentle way of removing toxins, often by using a simpler diet for a period of time. So what I did was a cleanse, and basically a cleanse is kind of along the same lines of a detox, except for it's not to provide functionality to your organs. It's just to clear out of your digestive tract food that may not have gotten digested correctly, toxins, and parasites. A cleanse is a gentler way of removing those toxins from your body, and it's done a lot of times just by changing to a simpler diet so that your digestive tract has time to heal itself and function properly. A true cleanse, it says, will provide nourishment for your body by providing food in a complete protein form. And by doing this, by giving your body exactly what it needs, it can stabilize your blood sugar. The most traditional form of a cleanse is a mono diet, is what it's called. And that is when you're eating one thing for a period of time. The cleanse that I did, I personally did not just drink that and that was all I drank. I just drank it before meals. Traditional cleanse is you're eating one thing that's really simple and that helps your body cleanse itself a little bit better so that your digestive tract has time to heal itself and get back on track to where it's supposed to be and to balance out your body. A traditional cleanse would be eating the same thing 3 times a day. No, I did not do that. I wasn't that deep into it yet, to be honest. When is the best time to do a cleanse? The best time to do a cleanse is, my number one answer to be, think intuitively. If you are feeling like you really need a cleanse, a good cleanse, it may be anytime. I was just coming out of a really stressful situation. I had been off track for a really long time. Like, I wasn't clean eating. I wasn't exercising the way I should have been. I was really stressed out. Just a lot of things going on. For me to jump right back into a healthy lifestyle is not feasible. I had to take baby steps. In one of my videos, I'm pretty sure I talk about how I wanted to start eating right first and then start exercising and then doing the most. So I started eating a little bit better, and then I started exercising, and then I did this cleanse to really, really like get me going, and that's exactly what it did. But I'll talk more about that a little bit later. Along the same lines with the best time to do it, the traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, says that the best time to do a cleanse is in the spring and the fall. Spring, it goes along with the whole, it's a time of renewal and to make clean, out with the old, in with the new flowers are blossoming. It's a whole spiritual thing, and it says that your liver energy is actually increased during that time. So the functionality and the pace of you being able to clean out the toxins from your body is increased around the springtime. So that is a really good time to do a cleanse. I didn't wait till the spring. Like I said, you kind of have to be intuitive about it. When you feel like you need a cleanse, go ahead and do one. It doesn't necessarily have to be the spring or the fall. I will be doing another one in the spring, but like I said, this was just to try to get my own personal well-being back on track. Another good time to do a cleanse is when you're feeling really stressed. A lot of times when you're stressed, your body tends to hold on to those toxins that it's supposed to be getting rid of. But because your body isn't functioning in the correct way, being stressed, you just hold on to a lot of those toxins. So you might need a little bit of boost to get those toxins out of your body. And once your body can start functioning better, you might feel the stress levels go down. And you also might feel your body functioning more properly, your immune system kicking back up to where it needs to be. Now I'm going to go into the ingredients that were in this cleanse. Well, the ingredients that were in the cleanse were apple cider vinegar, cayenne pepper, ginger, lemon, and cinnamon. And you had the option of putting honey in it. I put honey in it the first time, but I didn't use honey the other times. So I'm just going to go into the benefits of the core ingredients of this. So the first one is apple cider vinegar, which I might add that I am still taking every day as the first thing that I put into my body. It's supposed to help with hunger. I don't know. My mom has always told me to take apple cider vinegar, like a shot of apple cider vinegar every day. When you get your apple cider vinegar, make sure you get the one with the mother in it. Those are the ones I believe it has the enzymes and the good bacteria. It's a little bit more pricey, but it really is the quality of that apple cider vinegar as opposed to one that might be diluted, or the ingredients aren't as high quality ingredients as the ones you might get from the health food store with the mother in it. It makes you feel full. It lowers cholesterol and reduces your risk of heart disease. The benefits of ginger are that it helps with indigestion, helps fight infections, and it has medicinal properties. The benefits of cayenne pepper, which I also have been sprinkling on like my salads and any kind of savory food. I've just been sprinkling a little bit of cayenne pepper because it raises your body temperature. So I feel like when your body temperature is raising, you're going to be burning more fat. So like I said, I'm not after to lose weight, but I'm always after to look better, and the less fat you have in the wrong places, then the better I'm gonna look. So cayenne pepper also helps with digestion. It opens the capillaries in the blood so your blood flows better. And when your blood is flowing better, your body is functioning better. It boosts your metabolism. It suppresses the appetite. And it's full of antioxidants and beta carotene. It increases your body temp, as I mentioned before. And it's a very good source of vitamin A. And if you know anything about vitamin A, it's very good for your skin and your eyes. Cinnamon also has medicinal properties. It's loaded with antioxidants. It's an anti-inflammatory, lowers your blood sugar, and helps fight bacteria. Lemon is the last ingredient in this, and it promotes hydration. It's a source of vitamin C, improves skin quality, supports weight loss and digestion. Now that you know all the benefits of all the ingredients, you know what a cleanse is versus a detox, and you know why I originally did it. It might give you some ideas for why you might want to do one too. I'm going to tell you my results from it, what it made me feel. I did feel energized, I felt motivated, and I just felt a lot of clarity. I know that sounds really, I know I haven't had lipstick in my teeth the whole time. Anyway, yeah, I know that sounds really like dramatic or whatever, but it really is true. After I started the cleanse, I mean, I started my habit, which your habit is 21 days. So I started this at the beginning of January, and I ended up hitting a workout every single weekday. I did find my eating to be a little bit better. Now that I started working out, my eating has, like, my appetite has just raised through the roof, and there's nothing I can do about it. And then the clarity, I just was able to really set up my goals in my head, put them on paper, kind of follow through with them. I felt this before the first time that I started my health journey. I acclaimed matcha tea to that though. And if you guys want to know more about matcha, if you don't know about it, let me know and I can do a video on that. But I love matcha tea. You know, the whole new year, whatever, people make fun of that, but that is their time of renewal. And I think feeling that energy from other people motivated me to do a cleanse, and then it kept the motivation going. And I do recommend you doing this cleanse, or any cleanse at that, just releasing toxins from your body. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I'm just on a health journey, and follow me with it. Go ahead and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. My Instagram, I'll post every time I upload a video too, so go ahead and follow that. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.